By having a smart door lock in your smart home, peace, security, and comfort is provided to you. By using Z-Wave door lock and adding it to your Z-Wave network, you can remotely lock or unlock your door. In addition, you can set or remove PIN codes using applications. In this video, I show you what options a Z-Wave door lock from Yale company can provide while it is added to a Vera control unit. We have a YDM3168, a Z-Wave door lock from Yale company added to Vera control unit. By using a Vera mobile app, going to devices, we can see the state of a door lock. Now it is unlocked. Also, level of battery is shown in Vera control unit. When door is closed, it is automatically locked. Vera shows that Yale door lock is locked. Using Vera mobile app, clicking on locked in front of Yale door lock, it is opened. By going to the setting of Yale door lock in Vera mobile app and selecting control, we can see list of PIN codes that are entered to door lock. Easily by touching plus, we can set new PIN codes. Now it may take up to 30 seconds till Vera program PIN code to door lock. When it is done, PIN code is appeared in Vera mobile app. All the PIN codes we have set to door lock are valid always. We can set a restriction to them based on daily or weekly. This is very simple. Lock is closed. Let's enter the new PIN code I have just set. It works. By going to PIN codes page in a Vera mobile app, we can easily remove PIN codes. If I click on the trash bin in front of some PIN codes and touching yes, this PIN code is removed from door lock and Vera control unit. Again, it may take up to 30 seconds till Vera finishes removing PIN code. As soon as it is removed, the PIN code disappears from PIN codes page. It is disappeared. So, by having a Z-Wave door lock added to Z-Wave network, you can remotely lock or unlock pin code. Also, you can set or remove passwords, or let's say pin codes. Have in mind that you can set restrictions when you are using Vera control units. Vera control unit and Z-Wave door lock, specifically Yale one, provide other options to your smartphone. You can receive notification based on the state of door lock or what happens to the door lock. When door is locked, now if I enter Ali Reza's pin code, a notification is sent to me. Username Ali Reza unlocked the Yale door lock. We can have scenes triggered by a state of door lock. In this video, we have two scenes. When Ali Reza's pin code is entered, a blue light is turned on for a few seconds. The other one is that when Bahman pin codes is entered, green light turns on for a few seconds. You see that blue light turns on, and after a few seconds it is turned off. Now let's test the second pin code, Bahman's. As soon as I enter Bahman's pin code, green light turns on, and after a few seconds it is turned off. Another option this door lock brings is related or is about inserting or entering wrong pin codes. When a wrong pin code is entered to door lock, we have set a scene that siren goes off for 5 seconds. In addition to that, a notification is sent to my cell phone. Let's test this scene. By default, we can add up to 6 bad pin codes to this door lock. You see that when bad pin code is entered to door lock, siren went off for a few seconds and a notification was sent to me. An incorrect pin code was entered on Yale door lock. All in all, by having a Z-Wave door lock added to your Z-Wave network, you can monitor your door and control it. Also, you can have scenes based on what happens to door lock and receive notifications. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.